Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete a project in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to delete a project, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the Canva application you will get to see these three bars into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see this projects option. Just simply tap into projects and go to your projects section. Now you can see all of the projects that you have in Canva. Now in order to delete the project, you just simply have to find the project which you want to delete and then tap into these three dots at the top of the project which you want to delete. Now you just simply have to tap into this move to trash option in order to delete the project, and after doing this your project will successfully be moved into the trash, and after doing this your project will successfully be deleted from Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.